Using and adjusting the manual mode in this camera is really quite simple. All you need to do is turn your mode dial to the M. This stands for manual, and what this mode does is allow you to set both the shutter speed and the aperture. Like all of the other creative modes, program, aperture priority, and shutter priority, manual gives you control over all of the quick menu features such as ISO and white balance. In order to adjust the shutter speed and aperture as opposed to the quick menu, all I need to do is move the quick menu joystick up and down to adjust the shutter speed, and just push it to the left in order to highlight the aperture setting, and then I can change that. Now, as you can see, the exposure compensation icon is no longer here because exposure compensation is not available in this mode. Basically, what's going to happen when I press my shutter button halfway is the camera will give me a meter and tell me where it thinks my exposure is at. So right now, it's telling me that I'm way overexposed, close to +2. What I can do is just use my quick menu joystick to move over to the shutter speed and increase the shutter speed. As I'm increasing the shutter speed, I can see that the meter is going down to 0. So now I know my picture is exposed properly, and I can press the shutter button halfway, and it's at 0, and I can just go ahead and take the picture. To find out much more about digital photography and your digital camera, go to lbguides.com.